morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Tyler, say good morning, Febs. Hey, what are you eating? Yeah, you're eating chocolate bar. Chocolate cereal bar. Yeah, chocolate cereal bar, and my handsome man is driving. You guys, today is yet another holiday in France, and we got up, we slept in, but then we just spontaneously decided that we are taking a road trip. So we are going on a picnic to some unknown location that we found online. So we're just driving there right now. And while I was making breakfast, I made us lunch, and I packed a big bag of games and lunch and toys and juice and water and all those things. And we have about 30 minutes drive to get to this location where we're going. So we're on our way. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. I think by the time you guys sees this video, it would have been the start of a new week. So I hope you guys had a good weekend, or have a good day, or is having a good day, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this video. Another thing, you guys, we are 5,000 strong. Yes, we are 5,000 faves. Yes, baby. Yeah, it is a bridge. We're 5,000 faves, and I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Thanks everyone for continuing to help us grow, and we love and appreciate it. Say 5,000. Yeah, show me 5 fingers. Yeah. Anyway, you guys, we're on our way to our picnic, and we're super excited to just spend the day out. It's hot outside, it's looking beautiful, so we're really looking forward to having an amazing day. So we'll catch you guys when we get to our destination. We're at our picnic. We have games. We have, what they call this in English, they call it Power 4, yes. Power 4, they call it in English. Okay. And we have Uno, and we have Tyler ball, and we have snack in the bag, but we have lunch. So this is what I made for lunch this morning. Chicken salad, and I made rice, and it's not chicken salad actually, it's turkey salad. So babe and I have the same thing, and Tyler have rice and turkey. So this is for Ty, rice and turkey. So we're actually gonna eat lunch, and then she'll I didn't put your rice on you.
That's okay, that looks a lot healthy.
Yeah, but doesn't mean you have to eat it all. Eat and make yourself happy. Eat what you want, not what is there. So we're gonna eat and just have a good time.
Mama,
yes, my love.
I'm making red.
You're making it red?
Yeah.
Okay, do that. Sitting right in front of the water, I didn't show you.
Mama.
So that's our view, our lake view. People fishing, a lot of people having picnic. There's so much people out here. That's kind of nice little picnic spot. Tyler Bay playing Power 4. Beat him, beat him. Wow. Yes, Ty. Wait, Ty. Papa turn. Wait till Papa turn.
Tyler, you want to kick?
Come to Thai, beat you Thai. Go Thai. What you gonna play? Okay, look, go to the park. What you find?
I found the 5.
You find 5?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna play your 5 or you're gonna keep it?
Yucky.
What number you gonna play? You only have 1 card leave.
4.
Okay, you're gonna play it or you're gonna keep it?
Okay.
Oh, so you take my 4 just like that?
Another one.
So what you gonna... Oh, so you're just gonna play your 2 card and you win. So you win.
Mama.
You won. Bravo.
Mama.
High 5. Good job. Eating and taking a stroll along the lake, which have a beautiful view. I think it's a good little walk, so we're just going to walk along and see the view. Tyler, stop! The boys are in front of me. We find Jim on the camping site. We find Jim on the lake. Baby's taking a workout session.
You got the time?
Yeah.
You're on.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, but it's not that.
Come, Tyler, come. Come. Look at your nose.
Do 10.
Hold on. Hold mama hand. Hold my hand here. Ready?
I can see your face that's struggling.
I'm not struggling. It's just hard, but I'm not struggling. And of course you're heavier, so it's gonna be harder for you. I'm struggling now.
Yeah, continue. 10 more. 1,
We can go work
2,
Yes.
3,
Woo!
4, 5, 6, 10.
How
I
much more
said.
me do before you start
4
counting?
more.
No, I want to go try the one over there. It's like you're going. It's like you're riding a bike. How do I look? I can do a commercial on it. In a sexy girl commercial. I can go. Oh, 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 oh. And now I feel my knees start hurting. Whew.
You can do enjoy.
Ty, you going on that one? Go up on it. To lift your body weight is no joke. You guys, when you find gym on your date, dang it. That can't get any more amazing than this. Hold on, Tyler, let me see if doing it with my own body weight will be feeling good. I'm not even holding it the right way. So hold it here. Yeah! That's better.
Yeah, because you have like 20 kg almost. You have like 30, 40 pounds less.
Oh, my feet aren't holding it wrong. Body weight, go baby. Yes! Come through, baby. Put his foot over your foot. The way it is, but put it wider. Go, ready? Go! Yeah! Tyler counting for you.
9, 10.
Yeah. Hold on, look at Mama. Alright, ready? You guys, Tyler got his first big boo-boo today. This is what happened to his foot. First big boo-boo. One of many. Big boo-boo. You fell?
Yes.
And you hurt your hand?
Yes.
Alright, come, let's go. It's okay.
Let's go.
Hey guys. What are you doing, my love? He forever harassing my body. You guys, we had an amazing little spontaneous romantic picnic by the lake today. Spontaneously just decided to drive out. You didn't have a good day?
Yeah, have a good day. Always nice to discover new place, and especially when it's close to home or that. Yeah, they had a good day, very good day.
It was good. We had so much fun, and I'm happy we just cooked and just went out and just spent the day. We got back and we sleep, and we had dinner, and
We
we
didn't
just
sleep
chilling.
much.
No, it wasn't much, but you always say 20 minutes is better than no minute, no? So we're just going to end the vlog out here. Of course, by giving you guys expressions. So the Jamaican expression for today is him nasty up himself. If, for example, Tyler is outside playing in the dirt And I say to Tyler, I said to Babe, look how Tyler nasty up himself. Simple means he got himself dirty. Him nasty up himself. He got himself dirty.
This one easy.
Yeah.
Nasty up yourself.
Him nasty up himself.
Yeah, Tyler nasty up himself when he's going out.
Like today when he fell, I felt so bad, but I couldn't let him see that I felt bad for him falling. He's hilarious. He'll show you his two band-aids that I put on.
Alright, so the French expression for today will be manger sur le pouce. Manger sur le pouce simply means to eat on your thumb or on the thumb.
Okay.
Simply mean like to eat fast, like not at the table, like standing and you using your hand to. Okay.
Got
so that's what you're doing when you're going. For example, you say, "On va manger sur le pouce," mean we're going to eat fast. That's the main thing.
Yeah, get it.
Say it.
Say it again.
Manger sur le pouce.
Manger sur le pouce.
Right.
Okay, cool.
You get it?
Make sure you get it. Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. Let you say bye to Tyler. Tyler, say bye, Faves.
Bye.
Show Faves your boo-boo. Show Faves your boo-boo. Show Faves your boo-boo. You have two boo-boo?
Yes.
Oh, it hurts?
Yes.
Oh. What mama put on it?
No. Just because it's red.
You love the color red?
Yes.
Alright. Go back on your tablet. Say, see you later, Faves.
Be the fit.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And thank you guys for 5,000 subscribers. Hey. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. We couldn't have done it without y'all.
Thank you.